Okay friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to activate reduce motion option in iPad. Okay, simply open settings application, then go to accessibility from the left side menu. Then you can see option of motion. Just open that, and the first option is reduce motion. Okay, and what is reduce motion is reduce the motion of the user interface including the parallax effect of icons. So you can simply touch here to turn on this feature, turn on this feature. Okay, and that's guys very simple. You can simply turn on reduce motion option from here, and also you can turn on prefer crossfade transitions, and it is also help reduce the motion for user interface controls that slides in when appearing and disappearing. So you can also turn on that feature here. So that's guys in very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.